Polycrisis, noun. Polycrisis, noun. Polycrisis, noun.
कई तबाहकुन वाक़यात का बैक वक्त रूनुमा होना.
The simultaneous occurrence of several catastrophic events. Polycrisis is a more accurate term to describe the world's ongoing crises and how they're interacting with one another. Examples. 1. A global polycrisis occurs when crises in multiple global systems become causally entangled in ways that significantly degrade humanity's prospects. 2. So have we been living in a polycrisis all along? We should beware complacency. 3. In the polycrisis the shocks are disparate, but they interact so that the whole is even more overwhelming than the sum of the parts. 4. A polycrisis is not just a situation where you face multiple crises. It is a situation where the whole is even more dangerous than the sum of the parts. Adam Tooze. 5. In that sense, every problem is a polyproblem and every crisis a polycrisis. 6. It was not because there was no polycrisis then, only that the causes were incompletely identified. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.